So now let's get to the interesting part of the whole episode, which is customizing our website. So this customization aspect is where you get to customize how you want your website to look, how you want your visitor to feel about your website. So we get started with the first option here. So like I earlier mentioned, the options that you are going to find there might actually be quite different from the option you are going to find when you are using the 2019, the 2017, the 2021 theme, or even a third-party theme. So the options are quite different depending on the theme that you are using. But if you are using the 2020 WordPress theme, you are likely to find the default theme. So currently now I'm using the 2020 theme, but if I should select any of the other options, any of the theme other things that is there, I'm likely to find something quite different from here. But one thing is common that to all of these themes. So regardless of the theme that you are using, you are going to find site identity. So what does site identity mean? Site identity, when you click on it, it simply means the logo of your website title, and your website tagline. But before we move on to getting started with the customization, I just want to explain something that you do not need to be confused as irregardless of the theme that you are using. The options there, once you are familiar with how to work with the options there, that you can be able to work with any option that comes with anything. So the options are a little bit are quite similar to each other. So all you have to do is know how it works and how you can make good use of it. So let's start with the site identity. So the site identity simply means your logo, your website logo, your website title, and the description. So if I want to add a logo to my website, all I have to come down to the customize section, the appearance, then go to customize and site identity. So when you click on site identity, then select the logo. So if you already have the logo uploaded on your site, you can use it, but if you don't, you can simply click on upload files. So you can simply click on upload files, select the files you want to upload, and you can select any of the logos. So let's say I want to use this, all I have to do is double click it and it's going to upload. So let's say I want to use this as my website logo. I'll click on it and then select it. So when I select it, I also have the options of cropping. So if the reason why it's showing the cropping is because the image size is too large for the location where it's going to show. So I decide to crop it to make it more smaller and drag to the aspect that I want to show on the site. So let's say I want to show this part, then click on crop image. So when you click on crop image, as you can see, the logo has now changed. So the logo has now changed to this, and you can also change your website description from here instead of the general settings. So you can also say welcome to the official WP laboratory for Tuam. So yeah, you can see you can also change your description from here. And there is something that is also very important. We call something site icon. Site icon simply means the icon that you see in browser tabs, bookmark bars, and sometimes within the WordPress mobile one apps. So let me just say, this is what I mean by the icon that you are showing, that you are seeing here, is what I mean by the site icon. So now I want to select a site icon. I want to add a site icon to my site. So the site icon has to be in form of an image. So click on site icon, then select any of the image that you want to show. Let's say I want to make this my site icon, then select it. I can also crop as well and click on crop image. So when you click on crop image, as you can see, the site icon here has changed. And when I publish the site, so publish means you are saving the changes that you make on your website. Now try to check this out. So this is before how my website looks like, but if I should reload it, you are going to notice something quite different. So let me reload the page. So as you can see, now I have the website logo and the site icon there. So that's how to change your website logo and your website icon.